Welcome students, today we are going to learn a poem on the water.
Now I will recite the poem. In our little boat to glide on the water blue and white, while the sky is smooth and bright. What could give us more delight? See the ripples how they run, twinkling brightly in the sun. While reflected we can see shadows of each hill and tree. See the lilies round and large, floating near the reedy merge, where the flourish has its place, and the heavy water mist. See the great green dragonfly, and the swallow skimming by. See the fishes spring and gleam, ere they splash into the stream. See the bright kingfisher too, dart a gleam of green and blue. These are all around our boat on the water whilst we float. Now I will explain you the poem. In our little boat to glide on the water blue and wide, while the sky is smooth and bright, what could give us more delight? Here in this first stanza, the poet is saying that when they are moving along slowly in their boat on a wide blue stream, the sky is smooth and bright. The poet asks the question, what could give more delight than this? See the ripples how they run, twinkling brightly in the sun. While reflected, we can see shadows of each hill and tree. Here, the poet asks us to observe the way ripples in the water move quickly, twinkling brightly in the sun. He says that he can see the shadow of each hill and tree reflected in the water. See the lilies round and large, floating near the reedy merge, where the flourish has its place, and the heavy water mist. Here, the poet says that there are large and round lilies near the edge of the water, where tall grasses grow and where you can see grass like plants like the flourish and the water mess. See the great green dragonfly and the swallow skimming by. See the fishes spring and gleam ere they splash into the stream. Here in this stanza, the poet says that he can see a big green dragonfly and a small bird, the swallow, go quickly by. He can also see the fish spring out, their bodies reflecting the sunlight, before they jump with a splash into the stream. See the bright kingfisher too, dart a gleam of green and blue. These are all around our boat on the water whilst we float. In this last stanza, the poet says that the bright kingfisher, who is green and blue, can also be seen darting here and there. All these insects, birds, and plants are around the boat while they are floating on the water. Now we will see the meanings. Glide, move slowly and smoothly over a surface. Ripples, little waves on the surface of water caused by the wind or by something moving on the water. Reedy merge, water's edge where reeds or tall grass grow thick. Bulrush, water mess, wetland grass like plants. Skimming, moving by quickly. Gleam, reflection of light from a shiny and clean surface. Ill, before. Dart, move suddenly and rapidly. Whilst, while. Thank you.